from your honey. Got a bitch named Lily and I got her on my dick. And she sit on me, cause she want me. Hey, she stay blowing me kisses, yeah. I got all your bitches, yeah. You ain't know that, huh? Comes as a surprise, yeah. Come as a surprise, I got your girl staring me in the eyes, hey. This nigga mad homo, all he like is God. He ain't got no type of game. You a lame, hey.
Nigga, you a lame. You look like a fucking lame. You look like a
Are
fucking
you saying the same shit I'm spitting at you? Cause you ain't got no type of rap view. Hey, you ain't want no type of rap view with me. Cause I'm an OG blowing more trees. Hey. I'm the life of the party. I know your girl, I know she want me. So icy, so flawny. So Big D, I'm about to murder this beat. Hey, tell them bitch ass nigga Kobe what's up. I hit him up.
Oh, I was just chilling, but alright, I'm going in. Okay. I'm doing everything, man. We hit him up. Look. See, I ain't dissing no rapper, but I'm dissing myself. Cause all these niggas wanna go and put themselves on the shelf. But I don't got no fucking respect for none of these other rappers. I put them on the fucking plate and then I eat them like some crackers. Man, these niggas think they hard, man. Really don't do nothing. Came up on the track, man, I'm straight up starting. I don't got no chain, man, it's made of wood. But I'm still in the hood, but it's still all good. Man, I'm doing shit back to back, nigga, I'm the Mac. I'm like Tupac, only 10 times better than that. Yeah, I just did that. Yeah, I just said I'm better than the Mac and the King. Yeah, I know that I'm the shit and I rap, I don't sing. But when I fucking rap, man, I leave a little sting in your heart. Cause you know I'm ready to bring all the drama to your fucking house. I don't care what you fucking about. I'm so silent, man, I'm like a mouse. I don't really care, man, I keep on the beat. I kill your bitch, and then I send you on my enemies. See, I ain't never scared, man, I'm a master. I go so faster, man, I'll fucking flash you with my dick. Have you so surprised, cause I don't really give a fuck. You wasn't circumcised, I did it bigger than any other nigga. I did it bigger than Biggie and Tupac rolled in a swisher when I smoked it. Man, I swear, I started spitting potent. Now I'm over here like I'm rolling on a molly, but I never did that, now I'm lying, man. I did it like 3 times, but that's where I went to Mecca. Got them hoes looking like dimes, but it's okay cause I'm full show. Wasn't drunk, I know they was looking fine. So now I'm over here and I ain't wasting the time. I'm dropping rhyme after rhyme and I'm doing it big. All these niggas hating on me cause it's so hard to stick. Some fucking thing that they saying, but I don't give a damn, man. Every night I'm praying, trying to get to a better place in the placement, but I don't give a fuck, man. All this racism that these niggas talking about, this shit sucks. It's okay, I'm gonna put it up on YouTube, so it's okay, you know what to do. Shoot the video anyway, just to get it through. I kill the microphone every time I'm on. Niggas hating on me cause I'm so in the zone. Niggas see me, but they see me all alone. They don't see Chino, not even the video. I don't know why, but I stay fly like 3-6 Mafia, I'm in the sky. But I don't worship the devil, even though I was a young rebel, never fucking settled. And if you got something to say, I burn it up in the kettle and drink it up like some tea. Niggas didn't know where I be, I kill it on the beat. Look for me on the fucking YouTube, internet, man, these niggas don't even disrespect when I spit these lips, man. I get them wet.
Nigga, it's crazy.